A man's speed with the current is 15 kilometers per hour and the speed of the current is 2.5 kilometers per hour. The man's speed against the current is. Now we need to know the basics of boats and streams topic. So here we assume A as the speed of the swimmer or the ship in still water, B as the speed of the water body, and hence upstream speed becomes A minus B, downstream speed becomes A plus B. Now let's extract the data given from the given question. A man's speed with the current. With the current, that means it is downstream speed. So we get here A plus B is equal to 15. And the speed of the current is 2.5 kilometers per hour. Speed of the current, that means this is B. It is nothing but water body. Current is nothing but water body. That means we get B is equal to 2.5. So substituting that here, A plus 2.5 is equal to 15. Therefore, A is equal to 12.5. Now you have to be very careful with the question asked and the options given. The question asked here is the man's speed against the current. Against the current, that means you are asked upstream speed. So upstream speed is A minus B. So even if option is there of 12.5 and we have got A as 12.5, that won't be the answer. We need to find A minus B. So upstream speed will be A minus B. A is 12.5 and B is 2.5. So 12.5 minus 2.5, we get the answer as 10. So the answer is option C.